Good morning, guys. Today I'm going out with my mom for grocery shopping. I'm going to wear brown pants and black tank top, and I'm going to keep it very simple. On your clean face, put some moisturizer of your choice. Make sure it suits your skin well based on your skin type. Next, I'm going to put some sunscreen, and sunscreen is a must. You need to put it daily. The sunscreen that I have, it gives glow to my skin. So I usually don't put foundation when I just go out, maybe for a grocery shopping or a casual day. Next is the eyeliner. Eyeliner enhances the beauty of your eye and makes it look bold and beautiful. So I think eyeliner is the best choice. Next is the mascara. Next is the lipstick. So for me, lipstick is a must. I can't go out without a lipstick. Same goes with the watch. This is the final look for the day. I'm going to go out with my mom. You guys enjoy.